Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials, sign in to the same Apple ID where required, and confirm your device runs the latest iOS so Apple Cash and Wallet APIs function. Next, enable FaceTime and Wallet. Apple uses these services to route payments, so they must be active. Check region settings and date/time accuracy because mismatches block verification. Once done, restart the device to clear cached network states and open Wallet to begin the step-by-step troubleshooting. Now you perform the deeper fixes. Open Wallet and attempt to access Apple Cash. If identity verification is incomplete, follow the on-screen steps and upload required ID. This unlocks receive functionality. If payments still fail, reset network settings to remove stale connections, then reconnect Wi-Fi or cellular. Sign out of Apple ID and FaceTime, then sign back in to refresh account tokens. After re-enabling Apple Cash, try receiving a small test amount to confirm the flow works end-to-end. Finish by sending a $1 test payment so you can watch the exact failure point. This quick check isolates whether the issue is verification, network, or account related. If an error appears, note the code and contact Apple support. They can pull logs and reset Apple Cash on their side. As a temporary workaround, move funds via bank transfer or another peer payment method within iMessage. If nothing else works, request an Apple Cash reset from support and repeat verification steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.